let's check out what we did in photography this week.
Let me see you just walk.
Alright, so we're gonna start off this week taking a look at the yoga photo shoot I did with Sergeant McDonald. We woke up at like 4:30 in the morning, grabbed our gear. It wasn't even light out yet, and we took her yoga bench and we shot some low light shots. I used my 2 Godox flashes. So you can see here we did a multiple exposure of her doing the 1,000-hand Buddha pose. Brought it into Photoshop, and then I layered all the different positions, cut out the ones that I wanted, kind of resized it, took some of the shots of the birds, and then color graded it. I think it came out really nice. Shooting different people have such different characters, so like if you shoot a dancer, it hits different. If you shoot somebody that does yoga, like the poses and things just come so natural. So it was a really good shoot. So I was asked to go shoot training for military working dogs. All right, we're all geared up and ready to go. Let's get ready to go shoot these puppers. And we got a pretty sweet ride. So we got to the facility and they gave us a nice little in-brief, a lot of good information about these working dogs. It's crazy to see them because they're trained so well. So the military police can give a command and they look like your regular run-of-the-mill friendly little puppers. And then out of nowhere they give the attack command and these guys just get after it. Check this out. Boom. We even had some of our more athletic guys try to run for a little longer, but they always got them. And then they would give a command, and the dogs would go back to just following what the trainer would say. So right there, she didn't know what she was supposed to do, and she was like, my helmet's not on right, but it was too late. The dog was already going after her. It's so funny how they run in these suits. Boom. Got him. Look at that. Yeah, it was a really good day. I got mostly videos, but here's a couple shots that we got from the shoots. Mostly snapshots, but got some emotion in there. Got a little portrait at the end. Not too bad. Well, that's the end of the video. Thanks for watching. Hope you liked it. Comment so I know what you're thinking. Subscribe if you want to see more, and I'll catch you next time. Bye.